Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own sugar wax. I did a video in the past and you guys seems to be having a lot of question about what to do if your wax hardens. So I'm going to answer all of them for you. So two major things you'll be needing here is a cup of sugar, and after that you'll be needing 1/4 of the same cup of lemon juice, and in the equal quantity you'll be needing water. As I have shown in the video, just make sure that you're taking everything in the right quantity. After that you need to put it on the boiler, switch the heat on. After some time you'll be able to see bubbles coming up. So make sure that through the entire process you keep stirring the mixture so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and you need to be very patient while doing this process because it is going to take time. So after doing it for 6 minutes you'll be able to see that the color is changing, but I am gonna make you guys very aware and be cautious that just in the end of the video you'll be able to see that it changes color very rapidly. So this is the point exactly where you should turn off your heat, because otherwise the wax is going to be super cooked and it is going to be hardened just in 1 to 2 seconds of the difference. So this is really important that you turn the heat off as soon as it starts to turn brown. And now I'm going to transfer the wax in my wax container. If you do not have a wax heater at home, you can use double boiler method. And now at this point of time the wax is going to be very hot, so you guys need to put it aside and wait till the time it becomes little warm. After some time guys, after approximately 10 minutes, this was the texture I got. And after that just make sure that your skin is very clean and you apply talcum powder. Apply the wax in the direction opposite to the hair growth, like I'm showing you guys in the video. This is how you're going to do it, and it is going to take all your hair out. And just I'm going to tell you guys here, one most important thing is I have put this wax in a heater and it is on a minimum heat. If you do not have a heater, just use some kind of double boiling process so that your wax doesn't harden up. You are not going to need any strips to do this. In case you want to use the strips, you can use the strips as well. Otherwise this is just going to be like a hard wax where you do not need any wax strip and it is going to remove all your hair off. But here I have even showed you in this tutorial, if you have wax strip, how to use it as well. And just make sure that there is no moisture on the skin. Your skin is thoroughly clean. If the hair are not coming out, it is probably due to the presence of moisture on the surface of your skin. So make sure that you are taking care of that. And here I have waxed the entire skin. I have showed you the tutorial. I hope you like it. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. Would love to answer them for you guys. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much. And